Doing great. As for me, I'm fine. Thank you. How was your day? Yeah, welcome to my live video this evening. And I'm happy to be here with you guys this wonderful evening. How was your day? My day was fine. My day was great. And I'm happy to be here. It was not that easy. And sometimes you go to work, sometimes you come back home on time, at times you come back home late, different time, different seasons. And getting ready to do one or two, fix one, fix two, and one thing that makes me happy at times when I come back, I'll just go straight, meet my boy, hold my boy, and dance with my boy. Sometimes when he's sleeping, I go there, I'll just give him a kiss. Yeah, he'll just shake his body. Children now, you know what they do. But all the same, I'm here to talk to my wonderful subscribers. You are great people, and thank you for supporting this channel so far. We were not here, but today we are moving, we are making progress on this particular YouTube channel. And it's not that we're the best, we're still trying to be better every day on our YouTube channel. So it's a blessing to be here and to succeed. Sometimes when you you support somebody, you come in every day to watch my video, I know there are people who does not even miss my live video. Anytime I'm live, they always come to watch my live video. Why? Is it because I'm a best live streamer? No, now. But because of you are showing me love, you're showing me support, and I really, really appreciate you guys for what you have been doing. And please, let's keep this energy going. This channel is the wonderful channel where we'll support it, we'll push it to make, at least by this year, we should reach, if not 50,000 or 100,000. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, maybe there's a video that I will make that will go viral and will bring subscribers, will bring views. At times when you're watching me, it'd be nice if you can share, comment. When I greet you, greet me back. It makes more sense. We'll have a conversation. I have a lot of people watching me in Nigeria, um, and India, and around the world. So sometimes when I greet you, greet me, then we'll have a conversation, and not just keep it quiet looking at me like that, and just watching me and watching you. You know, just write something on the comment section. Yeah, this is me, this is me, this is me. And like the video, all right? You like something on the comment section, you like the video, and if possible, you share. If you can share, fine. Or if you can say something, say something. Now, sometimes I have a lot of people watching me from from Pakistan, UK, Nigeria, Kenya, and some other part of Africa. Yeah. So even, excuse me, even in Asia. Sorry, I've eaten enough food, so that's why um, I'm Belgian. So that's why. So, sometimes I make videos in the morning, live stream video with my baby boy, who is my joy. Yeah, it's a gift from God and a gift from my wife too. So a gift. So I'm happy to have my son, and I'm happy to have you guys here. How are you? Where are you watching me from? How are you? How was your day? I hope you're good. And where are you watching me from? So I feel like sometimes people watch me in the morning. Yeah, that's what I feel. Yeah. My morning live stream, I get views, so that's to say most of my viewers are Nigerians. In the morning streaming, afternoon, I see a lot of people watching But once it's night, I see just few people. So coming here to live stream is just to connect with you guys, connect with you, great people, great minds, and beautiful people who are doing great. And it's always good to chat with you. So please, if you're watching me, let me know where you're watching me from. You know, it would be nice to just write you're watching me from here, 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 so I'll know where my audience are or where they're from. And I was in my titling, yeah, in my titling, I said, "How was your day? How was your day?" You know, I will say so many things, yeah. As an upcoming YouTuber, as an upcoming YouTuber, you know, sometimes you face a lot of challenges, yeah. Sometimes you're looking for money to make videos. Sometimes you're trying to, like some of us that want to do travel videos. Right now, I have a video that I want to do travel videos. I want to travel somewhere where they produce pears, they produce mangoes, where they plant mangoes and pears and oranges and stuff like that. And what is hindering me? Money. That's one of the big challenges we face. Yeah, you know that you should be in this place and make video, but because of some challenges, financial challenges, and to take care of your logistics, yeah. So it's a big challenge for upcoming YouTubers like us. But I believe as we persist and we YouTube on our side, I believe we'll make progress and then do more wonderful content for you guys to watch, because we create this content for you to see it and watch it and enjoy it. So, and when you watch, we are happy. So we can't stop. All right. And me, what is going on in my mind, I want to create content like travel places, you know, get to discover a lot of places in Africa, you know, bring out the African dream, you know, as the other big YouTuber they are doing, you know. I want to bring out the African dream, yeah. And I will touch the cities, but sometimes I will touch most of the villages and what the kind of food they have and what they eat, how they live, you know, how we survive in Africa. You know, some people feel like Africa is a jungle. Africa is not a jungle. We're not in the jungle. We are living the life in Africa. And Africa is our home. We love Africa. Nothing will make us to leave this our country. This is our country, for God's sake. And I'm proud to be an African. And nothing will stop me from being proud to be an African. Yeah. And everybody, you have to be proud of where you are from. Asia, you know, what do you call it? Europe, you know, anywhere you are, be proud from where you're coming from. Don't feel like, oh, why did my mother give birth to me here? Why did my father give? You know, there's a purpose why you are there. So for me, as a black African guy, I'm a proud African guy. So, Panna, and promoting my culture, promoting the culture of Africa, promoting the beauty of Africa, that is my joy. That is what I want to do. And that is what I'm going to do. And I will never stop. You know, no matter how you face challenges in creating content, you know, like I said, I have to travel. I want to travel to about 3 local governments, maybe 3, to create content. But what is hindering me? Finance. But you know, no, the little we have we put into this and this kind of investment, and with time, I believe people will be here to support us to create content as upcoming YouTubers. You know, everybody that started YouTube, maybe it was like this. Some they have the money, they started and boom, they're there. But some of us we started from scratch, from struggling to get data. Come, yeah, welcome, Ronald, welcome. So, how are you? Let me know where you're watching me from. You know, some of us will start from small bit and then we're growing up. You know, if you follow this channel from the start, it wasn't like this. And it was passion. What is driving me is passion. That's why I will never stop. Even if YouTube stop paying today, I will never stop creating content, because I know that in Africa we have something that we need to present to the world to see the beauty of Africa. Yes, Africa is a great continent. So, like in my state where I am presently, you know, we have mangoes, we have oranges, we have Lagos. How is Lagos? We have mango, we have oranges, we have tomatoes, we have pears, we have ogbono. I don't know what they call ogbono in English, and we have so many things. So, as I'm here right now, I need to travel some places to, show all those places, let people see what we have here in Benue State. I can as well move to other state and do the same thing, even move outside Nigeria to do the same thing. Because why am I doing this? I'm doing this to promote the African culture, to promote the African dream, And if we don't promote what you have, nobody will see it. All right? So if you have something and you don't promote it, you're keeping it for yourself. You don't want people to see what you have. You look at this cap. It's African cap, teeth, black and white in Nigeria, Benue State. Now, if I take this cap anywhere around the world, and anybody that knows about my tribe, knows about my state, knows about my country, it's only thief people that you can see them with this cap. And when somebody from my side will say, are you a thief man? I'll say, yes, I'm a thief man. This is identity. All right? So don't hide yourself. Wherever you are, be proud of where you're coming from. Yes. If you're not proud of where you are coming from, you're making a huge mistake. Please like this video, please share this video, and then if you want to support, super chat, everything is there. If you want to do super chat, do super chat. Some of you say super chat, you say, what is super chat? Super chat is where once you press there, they will ask you to donate something. If you have, nobody's forcing you to come and do super chat, but if you have, you feel like you want to help this channel to grow, you can do that. So when you see super chat and sometimes they say, okay, how many dollars do you want to put? You put, it's fine. YouTube has made all those things to help our channel to grow. Tell me how to stop Nigerian husband from cheating. Okay. Candice, I should tell you how to stop Nigerian husbands from cheating. Okay, cheating. All right. Where are you from? And where are you where are you watching from? So, is it the only Nigerian husband that are cheating, or how? And people cheat for different reasons. So some people, they don't want to stay one place. Some people, they just want to try so many things. Some people, maybe it's a trouble they get from home. Some people, I don't know. So they'll have their reasons why they cheat. So not like Nigerian husbands cheat. No, not like that. So to me, I would say, if I heard from the other person, I would know, okay, this is why this person is cheating. But everybody has his or her own reason. What makes them to cheat? All right, Atlanta. Too many big news. Oh God. So because of too many big nyash, well, not really. Well, too many big nyash. And as a lady and even as a guy or as a man, if a man really loves you, will never cheat on you. And big nyash. Sometimes you have to make what you have, be comfortable with what you have. If you have a husband a wife, make that wife to be what you want. Make the husband to be what you want. At least, not like you are forcing this person to become this, but you make them to understand. So I really love my culture from Benue. Thank you. So, not like you are forcing these people, but at least make them who you want them to be, because the truth is that the other person you see, the other side, is not different from who you see, and it's just that maybe structure or skin texture and all of that, but there's no difference. Maybe they speak different, the way they look, but when it comes to intimacy, I don't think there's no difference. Yeah, to me, I don't think there's no difference. So maybe he has his reasons, or I don't know. So, Candace, that's my take. Okay, a Black American, I would take all the topic I can get. Okay, all right, bring it on. And is he your husband or is your friend? A Nigerian husband. you know, I, I like the way you put it. Like you said, Nigerian husband. So does it mean that is it only Nigerian husband that cheat or what? If I could understand. Oh, he's your husband. Okay. Oh, don't worry, he will stop. Okay. Don't feel like Nigerian husband like cheat. He will stop. So and sometimes, um, well, I'm a married man, and sometimes I would say, men love respect. All right, and with some men, even if you respect them, they will still do what they want to do. Yes, but men love respect. When you respect a man, um, you can when you respect a man, even human being in general. If you respect a woman, you can see the beauty of that woman. If you respect a man, you can see the beauty of that man. Even a child, even your son, even your daughter, if you respect them the way you should, you will see the beauty of them. So it's two-way things. If you respect a man, you get good result. You respect a woman, but some men, if you respect them, it's like you're just. But it's good to respect. All right, it's good to respect, because when you respect, it makes more sense. And sometimes some men, they don't uh, like I'm talking, you are talking, you are talking, you are talking. All of you want to wear one trouser. When it comes to that point, so many things. So if you can hear from the other party, yeah, you you'll be able to talk about it better. But you cheating, everybody has his or her own reason. If I ask him now, he will say, "This is the reason why I'm doing this." You know, that's what he will say. So that's what's up. Thank you so much, all the way from America, Atlanta. In Nigeria, we call it Atlanta, but you call it what? Atlanta, 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 Atlanta. So, guys, as I was saying before, somebody came up with something. That's what's up. And as for us, content creator, we'll never stop giving you good content and showing you. So maybe one of these days I'll just go to the village and maybe spend like 2 days in the village. You're welcome. You're welcome. All the way from Atlanta. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see good and lovely content. All right. Like I said, I want to create a lot of content, and I'm working towards that. All right. So maybe once YouTube pays me this month, then I will remove some of the money to go create more content. So As I was saying, let's keep supporting this channel. Let's keep following this YouTube channel. Let's keep commenting, subscribe, and share. All right. Here we are here in Africa to show you our beauty. And like I was saying, I will travel in the village and then I think I will go to where. But most of our villages today, you see electricity. So yeah, most of the villages these days you go, you see electricity. But I will just for a village where there's no electricity, and let's see how I will survive there in 2 days. What I'll do, I'll go with my power bank, yeah, to be able to charge my phone and find a way to charge my cameras, and then I'll leave, sleep, take my baths locally, and do some things locally, have that village vibes, I miss that kind of life so much. So I will try doing that and see how it goes. And I'll go to where you have starch houses and then eat locally, you know, just have that feeling and have that joy of being in a village once again. Because since I left the village, I don't want to go to my own village. I want to go to some other villages, where it's safe, and then try to spend like 2 days. I even try to go to the farm. It's been long I've been to the farm, so I'll try it out and see if it works. Fine. It's just for you to watch, yeah. Life in the village. Maybe I will. What should I name the video? Um, yeah, life 2 days in the village. 2 days in the village. African village, eating African food. Yeah, and I'll look for a native chicken and then I'll kill it and eat it. Oh God. So this live broadcast is gonna stop for the next 8 minutes. All right. So once again, I thank you guys for joining. Thank you so much for always being here, and I will always be here to give you good content. But please, I still need your support. Yeah, keep on supporting this channel. It's very, very important when you support our channel. It gives us more beauty, more strength, and when you come, you have a conversation with um, your audience. It gives you joy, it gives you peace of mind. You have people who you are connected with, you know, and as we're here, we are all connected, like we are one family, So you may be the other side of the world, I may be the other side of this world, but we are like one family because this YouTube has connected us. So let me know where you're watching me from. Let me say hi to you and let's have a conversation. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe. Tomorrow morning, I'll be live with my little boy. Yeah, Josiah. My boy has a YouTube channel. Yeah, King Josiah on the door. And we're still working on the YouTube channel to grow the YouTube channel. So hopefully, he will grow up and be a wonderful YouTuber or a good content creator. So that is my take. Thank you so much for watching. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. What a beautiful day. Hey, YouTube is life. YouTube is a great platform. If you're not on YouTube, you are missing out. Baby Mega, what video Joshua is posting how many views? 60. And why the video can't get plenty likes when no can't get plenty views? The video get plenty likes, so I've been not my dream. These people are not giving me correct. Out of my belly shall flow river. Yes. You see, the time you say it was how many? 11?
18.
But why is it now? It's showing 60. 66.
18.
Allah. Okay, we better check her app then. Go for video more. Morning get likes number about 12. This is my video likes number 12. You know 12 only reviews maybe put somebody to work the accurate for algorithm via. So a video in the village, like maybe a day or two. Just live in the village and see the experience. Should I use my village? Should I use my village? Okay, it's better we should go to my village. I wish my mom should kill them girl in there. The thing will make the video sweet, eh? When we go they look for water. So guys, who is online? Who is here? Happy Friday, guys. We also got
newborns, they do more of sleeping. When we were 2 weeks ago, my girl enjoy
it. Oh, okay. Thank you, Louis. Expectation I'm having gay, you know, I will be part of it.
No. Videos of newborns. Most people don't buy one when you're 2 weeks ago.
You know, sometimes I'll just think that this my expectation is too much. I have to reduce them. Somebody there. But I'm going to get newborn now. That newborn man go sing. Come work in one hand, but say you. I do what she not a bushy me and I could with a hand. We go out the way they could flavor say. So, oh my God, that's crazy, man. Those Shumaga, get mom change the page one like. Those Shumaga. This that my Facebook page now. Tell and say me I want change the name. He say maybe that the name even they give the team bad luck. How in the hand Benue that, Benue this, Benue that. Eh, eh. Mo wish my make a question because I'm around much. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. I will see you tomorrow morning. All right, how many hours time? Let's see. What is 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'll see you like 10 hours time. Yeah, or maybe 12 hours time. Yeah. Bye bye, guys.